Hi everyone, I'm opening another tin. This one's with black Kyurem in the front. I think it's called the mythical tin or something. I really don't know. Got it. Got the wrong one, I guess. And I'm gonna open it either way. There you go. Let's get this black Kyurem card out. Okay. This is the black Kyurem card that comes with it. HP 180. Okay. Oh, you get another card with it. Meliota. There we go. And it's a promo card on the bottom. Hey, this one came with 2 cards. And here's the computer code. And it came with one. This right here. Okay, it came with 4 booster packs. One is Plasma Storm. The other one is Black and White Boundary Cross. The other one says Black and White Dragon Exalted. And the other one another one Dragon Exalted. Alright, let's do Logia first. Okay. Computer code. Okay. Got a Scraggy, Trubbish, Patriot, Frillish, Rufflet, Coughing, Watchog, a Luna Stone, a Inferno, and a Moltres EX. Oh,
Really?
Yes, come here. Got Moltres EX. Nice. Good way to start this 10. Very good. Alright, let's open the next one. This will be Bounty's Cross. Hopefully get another EX. Oh man, didn't went all the way. Let me open this side. Okay, this one did. Okay. Put this on the side. Oh, sorry, forgot to do this. Okay. Got a Talo, Volptor, Lillipup, a Ducklet, a Squirtle, Reverse Foil Woobat, a Azumarill, a Wobbuffet, and a Starvine. And the rare is a Keldeo non-foil. Okay. It wasn't a foil. Hopefully next time I get a foil. Okay. See. Now I'm opening Dragon Exalted pack. Two, three, four. Okay. Got a Driftbloom, a Boiselle, a Goliath, Murkrow, Bidolph, a reverse foil Driftbloom, a Swablu, energy card, a Bowbarrel, and a non-foil Braviary. Okay. Damn it. No. Okay. Last booster pack is Dragon Exalted. Put this card on the back. First card is Tempo, Aram, a Vulpix, Nosepass, Diano, a Reverse Hollow Scrape Bloom, a Swablu, a Flaffy, a Roselia, and the Cotelia non-foil. Rare. Alright, alright. Well, we only got one foil of this card. Start with this. Recap. I got a Moltres EX foil. A Gothilia. Sorry if I mispronounce it. Burberry foil and a Kyoto. Oh wait, sorry, I meant Burberry non-foil. Sorry, and I killed it non-foil. All right. So out of this whole 10, we got one foil. At least it's an EX. That's what I'm happy about. All right. All right. Thanks guys for watching. I'll be back with some more. Bye.